Hi, my name is Jason, and today I'm going to demonstrate our ChemWiz-ADK Near-Infrared Grain Analyzer. I'll be measuring a sample of barley with our near-infrared analyzer, and I will take that barley sample and I will add it to our calibration model to theoretically improve the calibration model. And then I will recompute the model, load it, and measure the barley again to show you how easy it is to use our instrumentation. When I do the barley measurement, I will be taking a sample barley and I will be putting it on our near-infrared reflectance fixture. If you are using our rugged case, you would put it on the reflectance fixture here or in our industrial process line set up on the industrial fixture here. So without further ado, I will go ahead and share the screen. Okay. Ready? So as you can see, we currently have our oats calibration model loaded. I will go ahead and select barley. This is our barley starter calibration. I will go ahead and put the barley sample on the reflectance fixture and press collect. You see we get a new spectrum and we get the fiber composition at 20%, protein at 14%, fat at 3.6%, and moisture at 22%, and the validation check pass. So the validation check would alert us if we are measuring a wrong sample, have the wrong calibration model loaded, or maybe the sample is outside of our calibration model range, and maybe we need to add it to our model. So in this demonstration, I'm going to show you actually how to add a sample to your calibration model to improve the model or to allow it to measure different types of samples. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Model Builder and click Edit Model, and I'm going to go ahead and load that same barley model, and it's going to load the barley model here. And so here is the original build, here's the statistics for our starter calibration. I'm going to go ahead and add the data that we just took. And so it's going to tell me to give it a sample name. I'll go ahead and tell it barley demo. Okay. It wants a moisture value, so I'll give it a moisture value of 14.39. We're going to give it a fat value of 3.3. A protein value of 13.6, and lastly, a fiber value of 18.65. And so these would be your lab-acquired data via another method, and you would go ahead and add your data to the system, and you would click the compute button. Okay. Now it's going to ask you what pre-processing steps might you be interested in using. And since the original model uses derivative and not mean center, SNV, or MSC, we're just going to keep those pre-processing steps, but you can choose to change them. And it's going to compute my new model, which you can actually see has an R-squared value, which is slightly lower for the first component. And the second component looks like it might be slightly improved. So I might choose to save this model because I've improved it. Before I do that, I want to show you, if you view the data, you can actually look at all of the data that is in this new calibration model. And actually you can see the barley demo values right here. In the model and the 92 other samples that are included. If I wanted to view my chart, I can look at my fiber actual values versus predicted. I can also look at protein, fat, or moisture. If I like this model, I can go ahead and click Save the Model. And I'm gonna save it barley demo. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 because we just did this. And now I'm gonna go ahead back to my predictor, and I'm gonna go back to my choosing my model, and I'm gonna select my barley demo 2 model. Now you can see barley demo 2 is loaded, and I am going to click collect. And now here are my prediction results using my new improved barley calibration model. So thank you for watching this quick demo on how to take a barley measurement and save the measured data to the calibration model. And talk to you later.